Hello guys, I think I'll try to make this I'll put this in the second video. I have the second box of Ikea all with me, so I am just going to go ahead and open them, show you what I got here one by one. So I got these from them. Is it from Ikea? Yes. This is it. Two of it. No, this is not from Ikea. I think I got this online. One of the shopping sites, the home shopping on TV. It was advertised and it was at a very cheaper rate. I think I got two of these for £25. So I just went ahead and got it. So I will just leave that here. I totally forgot where I got it from. I'm sure it's not from Ikea. And when I was packing, I think I just joined everything all together because I needed more space. And I got this hanger too. I think this is from Matalan. This is from Matalan. I think I have everything all mixed together right now. Okay, so this is one of this. I got this again. I think I have a lot of it at home, but I decided to get 3 more because I'm the kind of person, we have like a lot of type of foods that I need to arrange. So I got that, and then I mixed everything, and these are all the covers of what I got, the covers, because I got a lot of things, containers that came with it. I also got these. I think I got this mainly because of my scarves, because I've got a lot of scarves. This is the compliment hanger. You can see that. And I got this for my kitchen to dry when I wash stuff. That's it. And I got these to put juice or some things in the fridge for us to drink. I got that. And I think I got 2 of those. No, I'm not sure. This is something else. Okay, this is something else. A jug for water. So the next thing I got is this. Is the scoop. It's for handbags, to keep handbags. I've got a lot of bags I need to keep, and I needed space to keep them. So that was why I got this. But now that I'm looking at the please remove thing, I don't know if this is necessary, but who knows, when I start arranging I might actually need this. So this is one of the things I got. I also got this brush for the bottles I got, so I can use them to wash. It's the, what's it called? It doesn't have a name. So this is the brush. And then I got this bowl basically to help with snack, to put my kids snack in it. That was the main reason I got this one. And I got the sponge to use in the kitchen. I don't even think it's necessary again because I've got a lot of them. I got these jars, the little jars. I've actually taken some of it. I've started using them, so I think I have 1 extra left. That is why I have it here. And these are the bowls I got. They're actually rubber bowls to put meal in the fridge or freezer. I've actually showed you the covers already. And what else? This bowl. And I got this bag. I was going to use it for moving, but now I can't actually use it anymore because we moved, and I didn't know I had this extra bag. But I'm going to use it for something else to keep some things in my cupboard. I'm still thinking of what I'm going to use it for, but I know it's going to come in handy when I start arranging the bedrooms and some other things. And I got this to put my pots on, you know, after cooking, to put this on pots just to prevent the kitchen top from burning or having any issue. That was why I got that. And then I got this for my iron to hang it up, but now I'm thinking, why did I even get this again? I don't know, but this is for the iron. And I found out that in my next Ikea box I'm going to show you guys, you're going to see that I have 2 extra of these. I found out that I overbought it, so I'm going to find a way to return 2 back to them. And this is it for the irons. And the last thing, no, not the last thing, this is a tray to use in the kitchen. I've actually gotten the wooden one, but I decided to go get this one. This one, you can bend it when you chop your onion, tomatoes and all that, so you can just fold in. That was why I got this. So I've got 2 of these. And the last thing is this. I've used one of these. This is mainly to you know, for covering of water, your snack or anything. This is it, you can see it. It's 3 in 1. I'm actually using the smallest one right now, and so this is the bigger one. So I can't wait to try it, to use the orange, because I do that a lot. Oranges, cucumbers, to bottles. That's also why I got this, to make use of it. I just felt it's practical, and that's it. So that's the end of this particular box. I still have 2 bags to go. I still have 2 bags. No, I mean 2 boxes to go and 1 bag from there. And let me see if I can just do the bag too. This is empty. So this is one of the things I got from Ikea. It's a jug for hot water, cold water, depends on what you want to use it for. I just got it for for hot water, you know, for my baby, instead of me to be boiling water every now and then. And now that I'm in Scotland, sometimes it's cold. I'm actually used to drinking tea almost all the time, so I got this jug and I'm going to be using it for that. And then I got something else here, right here. The last time we did the shopping, I took one of this again to use it for the drinks in my fridge. And this is for me. What else did I get? Yeah, these are bottles I got when I was moving. I tried to wrap them up so they don't break when moving them here. These are some of the bottles I got. The idea behind this is the bottle from Ikea. The idea behind this is to use it for oils. My oil, because I've got a lot of oils, different type of oils. So I got the small one, like the medium one, medium size too. And I've got 2 of those too. 2 of it. This is it. And let's see what else have I got in from then. I got these cups from them too. They're like glass cups. I got 4 of it. It's actually really heavy. You can see it now. These are the cups I got from them. It's looking really nice and sturdy, so I can't wait to start using them. This is it. I got 4 of it. 4 of the glass cup. For that. Let's see what I have wrapped in here. 2. Yes, and the next thing I got, this was for tea. You know, I said I got the job, but when I saw it, I loved it. It's got this net in it, like a sieve. You can put your tea bag, and then you can actually make tea for 2 people. And this is it. It's looking really nice. I love this, so that's why I got this to start using. So things I got, and that's the end of what I have in my blue bag from Ikea. I have 2 boxes left, and that is going to be in another video. I'm trying to cut everything because there's a lot of things I got. Matalan, Debbie hams. I just got a lot of things while I was moving. That those are the basic things I think I will need in the kitchen. So that will be all for now, and catch you in my next video. Bye.